First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my paper so that I have a square. I put these two ends together like so, and this paper is a little bit tough to fold because what I'm using is 140 pound watercolor paper. But I want a nice heavy cardstock that I can use for the project. So as you can see, I folded one corner to the edge here. I'm pressing the edges so they're nice and firmly folded. Next thing I'm going to do is take my pencil, draw a line here at the edge. This is the portion we're going to cut off. Unfold it. Get my handy dandy scissors. The best way to cut is to line the scissors up with the center of your belly button. But since I'm filming this video seated, it's a little harder to do. But if you want to cut something straight, just line the scissors up directly with your belly button. Now, I want to find the center of my paper again. So I'm going to line my ruler up with the corners of the paper. A little tricky. Okay, that's pretty good. Lightly trace the edge of the ruler with your pencil. And again, I'm going to line up the ruler here with the corners of my paper. Right? This is how you can find the center of any square or rectangle. Tile persons often use this to find the center because they start the tiles from the center outward to make sure that the tile job looks even. Now I'm going to show you this compass. These little pencils are kind of silly. They come with the compass. I like to put my own pencil inside of the compass so that I have a nice sharp pencil at all times. And what you do is you line up the point of the pencil with the point of the compass like so, and snap this little lever shut. Okay, I'm going to open my compass, and I'm going to draw some concentric circles. I don't know about you, but I've never been able to turn the compass on the paper. I find it easier to turn the paper with the compass point. So I set the compass point in the center, and then I'm going to spin while holding the compass still in the center point. I have a pretty nice circle. Now I'm going to open the compass a bit more. I think that should be about right. Spinning my paper again. I don't know how people can hold the compass in a steady position and move it. I've never been able to do that.